Namaste to all of you. This is Krishna from Being Responsible. And many of you might be thinking, what is being responsible? Being responsible is a group, and that is heading to welfare of society. Definitely, we will work and we are just endeavoring to get whatever we designed in our paper. And many of you might be thinking, what are these objectives and how they will do that, and what kind of the plan they have set. So today I'll elaborate everything about being responsible. So first of all, neither we are an institution nor we are a company. We are only a group of social activists. Yeah, there are a lot of social activists who are planning to implement such kind of things that they have planned in their lives, and they are heading to do that. And definitely we are hoping, we are dreaming to get your support. And definitely there has a lot of things that need to be delivered, that need to be done, that need to be shared with everyone. So the first of all, we want to bring all of you on a one platform, that is being responsible. It's mean where we will understand that what kind of responsibility we need to pay toward the society and why we are doing this, because everything is happening because of us. If it is going good, then we are responsible. If it is going bad, definitely we are responsible for the same. So the first of all, I want to introduce about the responsibility, what kind of responsibility we need to pay. The responsibility on social, educational, health, environmental and agriculture. What kind of the way you have decided to do. Yeah, many of you might have heard, it's not our responsibility, it's government responsibility. Yeah, I know it's government responsibility, but are we paying our responsibilities? Are we paying? If we are paying, then we can point to anyone. You need to do that, you should do that, and you have to do that. So these kind of the process, these kind of the questions when rises, that's up to the situation. Are we integrate with ourselves? Are we honest with our work? Are we honest with our activity? Then we'll point to other. Definitely. And yeah, many of you might be thinking that why I'm delivering those kind of words to you, it's hurting, so please slow your words. Yeah, but why I'm here only to tell you that it's our responsibility. So what kind of ways we have adopted and what kind of plans we have. So we have planned the first plan that's will decrease the number of the unemployment. How? The first of all things that we have designed, send us a video based on social, educational, health and agriculture and environmental, and we will provide a short amount, a very a short amount will provide you, that is 1 rupiah 1 video. Yeah, because it's initiations toward the welfare of the society. So that's why we don't have much amount, we don't have a lot of money to provide you. That's why we are starting with piece of the money. So that's why 1 rupiah 1 video, and it would be beneficial for the society. Definitely, if you share your video which is based on the social, educational, environmental and agriculture, definitely they will be benefited from your videos. And what kind of benefit they are getting from your videos, they will understand the message from you that you deliver to the society, the sins that you deliver, that you addressed through the video. And definitely there will be a lot of ideas that you want to that you wanted to share the society, but you don't have such platform where you can address those all the ideas to the people. So we are one platform where we will distribute your all ideas to people with providing an amount, because we are not asking to waste your time. You are providing your idea and you are getting an short amount. Definitely will increase the number of the amounts that we are going to pay, but in the beginning we will provide the same amount. What kind of mode should be of video, what kind of the qualities video is required. Video should be in landscape mode, so that we can add your ideas beside your screen, so that people can understand easily. And the second things, the quality, I don't require anything in video quality, because you don't have much smartphone, that you don't have a good camera. So it's okay, but try to improve the quality of video so that they can understand, so that they can see it and they can adopt and they can examine and they can work on that. So that's why we require only one thing in initiation of this being responsible. If you provide video, then we'll say upload on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere, and people will be watching your videos and they will be happy, they will be benefited from your videos, and they will get your ideas and they will work on that, and definitely it would be beneficial for society. So these kind of activities we are bringing to the society, and definitely we are dreaming people will come together and will support us, definitely, because no one single man can do that. So we'll have to do it in work, we will have to do it as a team. And definitely we are helping, we are going to help to underprivileged families so that they can also feel happy, and we are going to head to do those all things that are required among the people that people are asking. Education, the most things is are the education, because if we are educated, then we will make educated to all of people that are around us. So that's why it's the first to decrease the number of the unemployment. The second is to providing education knowledge. The third is it's also primary understanding to spread the knowledge about health, and also spreading the knowledge about environment, spreading the knowledge about agriculture, because we are eating it, so it should be in good way. So this is all about being responsible. So it's all objective, and rest of the things you can also learn from the pages of Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channels. There are many videos we have gotten, and we are sharing with you so that you can understand very well what we are doing. So thank you for watching this, and if you want to know more about it, please contact me. I have given all the details below this screen. So thank you being responsible, thank you being Zimedar.